Hi everyone and welcome back to one more video of All Light Food. Back in hostel when we used to go for the outings, the bus would go to the marketplace and stop right in front of a roadside Indo-Chinese fast food shop. And you can actually feel the highly flavorful and pungent smell of the vinegar and soya sauce coming all around from the street. I still remember the dark red sweet and sour chili chicken tossed in crunchy onions and lot of green chilies, which would make me buy a plate every time I go there. So inspired from that recipe, today I'm going to recreate the street style chili chicken with homemade tomato sauce and other simple ingredients. So let's quickly check on the recipe. In a bowl, I am taking around 400 grams of boneless chicken. To this, I'm going to add half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of paprika powder for red color, and half teaspoon of chili flakes. You can also add chili powder or simply skip it. Then I will add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. So the cornstarch is going to form a thin layer on the chicken pieces and make it crunchy. And because we are not deep frying the chicken pieces, you can avoid adding the all-purpose flour. So now 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. So now I'm going to mix the chicken pieces with all the ingredients nicely and keep it aside. Time to air fry the chicken. For that, in the air frying tray, spray olive oil or grease any cooking oil and place the chicken pieces on it. Switch on the air fryer on 350°F for 20 to 25 minutes. Check in between and you can also change sides if needed. So while the chicken is air frying, let's quickly make the tomato sauce for the recipe. To make the tomato sauce, first I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil to the pan. Next to this, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of finely chopped garlic. When the garlic turns a little golden brown, I'm going to add 1.5 cup of tomato puree straight into this. So here I have used 2 medium-sized tomatoes to make the puree. So now I'm going to add a pinch of salt. So I'm going to add the soya sauce in this recipe. So I'm adding a little bit of salt because the soya also contains a lot of sodium. So next is the soya sauce. So this is going to add the real Indo-Chinese flavor to the recipe. So make sure to add 1 tablespoon of soya sauce. So as you can see that the water is reduced and it's a little bit of thicker. So now I'm going to take out the sauce in a bowl. So it's been 25 minutes and I'm sure the chicken is ready. Let's quickly check it. Just perfect. So the sauce is ready and the chicken is ready. I'm just going to toss them in crunchy onion and cabbage. So now let's quickly toss the chicken in onion and the sauce. For that, in a pan, I will take a tablespoon of oil. To this, I'm going to add 1 cup of onion cut into dice. So on high temperature, I'm going to stir it quickly. And now to this, I'm going to add 1 cup of cabbage cut into dice. I just love cabbage in this recipe. This is optional. If you don't like it, then just skip. Just a pinch of salt. So as you can see, the onion and cabbage are ready. I'm going to add the chicken in this. So there goes the air fried chicken. I'm just quickly going to mix it. That's looking lovely. And finally, the sauce on the top and mix it. So finally the chicken is ready. The chili chicken is looking really good and I don't want to cook it for a longer time. I want all the crunchiness of the onions to remain. I'll just turn off the gas, the whole green chilies and a little bit of freshly chopped coriander leaves. And now I'm going to take this out on a plate. Now garnish with some more finely chopped coriander leaves, ginger juliennes and enjoy it as a starter. So thank you so much for watching the video. I'm sure you loved it. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. Comment and share the video with your loved ones. I will see you in one more video. Till then, goodbye, take care and stay healthy.